Hey guys, welcome to Carrosserie Prisme. Today there's two things I want to show you. First of all, we're going to start by continuing the view of the ProMaster. Then we're going to go have a look at a Volvo that actually the bumpers have to be fixed, and a little review on that one. Follow me. Okay guys, here we have the ProMaster. So on the ProMaster you can see everything was removed. We got this machine right here that I want to show you. This machine is ready for that. So basically this machine, it's to pull the frame out. So as you can see on this side here, the frame was pushed backwards. So we absolutely need this machine to put the frame back in place. So obviously we need a good frame on the car. The radiator here in front was removed. A lot of parts were removed to make some more place. A lot of parts were damaged, so we gotta change those. If you move to the side here, you can basically see all the damaged parts that we removed. The radiator, the little plastic trims, the fans, everything was removed. And actually right now, about an hour and a half ago, we just got the new parts. So we're gonna go install them, and we'll get you the footage of that too. It would be very nice for you guys to see how we put the frame back, so we can explain a little more about that. We'll jump straight to it. Okay guys, this is our update on the ProMaster 2500. So basically you can see here a lot was removed. The windshield, not the windshield, sorry, the wipers and the plastic trims on it was removed. The little metal piece that was here, the bracket on the side, was removed. If you can just look down for a minute, you can see how much the damage was. It's all crooked, it's all in the bad shape. So slowly but surely, we'll get onto it. We'll show you what we removed, what we put on, what we changed. Like for example, we removed a couple hoses here on the car. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna show you step by step what we do and how we put it back, and the parts we change, and the final product is gonna be surprising. So let's go to the next one. Okay guys, here is the XC90. On this one we have the front bumper to do and the rear bumper to do. We got the footage of the bumpers off. We wanted to show you this car, do a little review on this car. We think a lot of you guys actually like this car and watch our videos, and this car is really searched on the web. So let's go have a look at it. First of all, on the front here, you guys could see that it has a camera in front. The camera here spots if ever something is close to you. Also, when you're on the highway and you put the cruise control on and you want to follow the speed of the one in front of you, basically on the windshield here, you can see there's a radar up on the windshield. On this one, we got big 21-inch wheels, which look very nice on this car. This one's actually a 2016 model. So most recent models, they changed a little, but not too much. So basically, it's still gonna be the same thing, just more recent and more updated, okay? So we got the sensors here on the sides too. We got a lot of sensors on this car. If we move a little on the back, here also, if you look right under the, right here, you see the camera that sees in your blind side. If we move to the back here, we can actually see this one is a T6 model, which is like a upgraded model if you would like. This one has the sensors in the back too. Very nice model. As you can see, xc90. If you guys want to have a look on the inside, we can. I just locked the car. Wait a second. I just locked it again. I just unlocked it. So there you go. On this one, bring the camera in. This one, it's all digital, so you can see the dashboard, all digital, very nice. I like the little wooden trims. It looks very nice. Also, these seats here, very comfortable. When you sit inside them, it's like you're sitting on a couch or something. Very, very nice. Steering wheel, very tight, very nice. Little thing about the steering wheel, you got the little controls here, so you don't always have to go in the center screen to go into your settings. Everything can be set from here. As I said, this one is all digital, so there's no actual gauges that actually show you like moving gauges. It's all digital, very nice. Here we got the window switches for the side view mirrors. These are the settings for your seats, so you can have like three, like let's say me, my mom, my sister, they all have their own settings. This one has the better sound system too. So that's pretty much it for this one. If you guys want to see more, let us know. We'll show you more cars and we'll go from there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell notification button to get a notification when we do another cool video like this. I'll see you next time.